A portion of each purchase is used to help fund breast cancer awareness initiatives. Think the Pink Garden Tool Kit as the perfect gift. The 18-piece garden tool set contains useful tools for all your gardening needs. Includes pruning shears, soft grip hose nozzles, quick hose connects and water splitter controller. The knee pad is convenient and comfortable for weeding and planting. Tools are contained in a sturdy blow-molded carrying case. ANSI physical and critical dimensional qualities standard compliant.